Hey everybody, we are here today at Canadian Forces Base Comox with Captain Haggart-Smith, who is the 2022 CF-18 demo pilot. Modem, thanks so much for joining me today.
Happy to be here.
Awesome, thank you so much. So tell me a little bit about how long you've been flying the CF-18 and just give me a little bit of a rundown of what we're going to do here next as we walk around.
It's been about 4.5 years flying the F-18 at this point, and we're about to do over here. Go for a quick walk around of the jet, make sure everything's good to go before I go and perform and practice over Air Force Beach.
Sweet, let's do it. Awesome.
It all starts right over here. Gonna come up and check out the nose landing gear. Pop in underneath, check some hydraulics and a couple switches.
Okay.
And then we come up into the gun bay. Verify everything's good to go in there, nice and safe. Nothing's gonna come out of the nose, so that's all good to go. Check the pitot tubes, and the radome is all connected. Radar is obviously right behind over in here. Once again, got the AOA probes that tells us what angle we're flying through the air at. It's definitely important for the high angle pass right there. And then over here we make sure that the pins are stowed away. Come check under the engines. Give a little kick of the tires and make sure the landing gear is ready to go. Now we're checking out the wing and all the control surfaces. The launcher is nice and secure. And the trailing edge flaps and ailerons are good to go. Check out the V-stab. And a big stretch into the engine bay over there. Checking a bunch of things about the hydraulic system, the fuel in there. Got stabilators, both engines, the resting hook. Hopefully we won't need that this flight. We got it available. Now basically coming around, checking the other side once again. And basically just doing the exact same thing on the opposite side as we come through. Landing gear is basically a mirror image of itself. Checking the intakes. And we're good to go. That's good.
Sweet. So now that we've done the walk around, tell me just briefly, how long does it typically take to start up before you get taxiing? And then tell me just a little bit about your routine for this year and what you're particularly fond of.
Yeah, absolutely. It takes a while to learn how to start the jet quickly, but once you're good, I can probably get this started up in just a matter of minutes. And yeah, in terms of the routine this year, we'll be looking to perform a whole number of aerobatics out there. My personal favorite is the square loop, which we'll be doing. And unfortunately, I've got to get going here so that I can put on the show for all the guys and girls over at Air Force Beach right now.
Right on. Hey, Captain Smith, Haggart-Smith, thank you so much. Good luck for 2022 air show season. Thank you.
My pleasure. Hope you enjoy it.
Thank you. Take care.